Hi everyone, welcome to another CLDR preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. Please pause the video if necessary to understand the requirement and then resume when. Let us begin. The question says, which of the following functions is useful for ensuring users do not enter invalid values in a graphical user interface application? So this question is very obvious. So the answer is going to be in range and coarse, because this function, what it does is whenever the calculated value or the user has entered the larger values, this code will ensure that if the value is either larger than the maximum value or lower than the minimum value, it will be coursed back into the maximum or minimum value. So it will always make sure the input value or the calculated value will always be within the range. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next CLDR question. Please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified for new LabVIEW videos.